Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Gmail account. So here, let's say I want to delete my Gmail account here, and if you want to do the same, you can just go to this page right here. My account with google.com/delete services or account. In here, you can find this page by going to Google and just type in delete Gmail account and go to this page and it will be on this page. So if you want to, you can just click on delete a service, or if you want to delete permanently, you want to permanently delete your emails in your Google account, and click on this. Let's try to click on delete service. And in here you can just click on next, continue. Then after that you'll be directed to this page. So a Google account of many services can be deleted from your account individually, so you don't need to delete all of your Google account. You can just click on the Gmail. So here is the Gmail option. You can just click on the trust icon button, and then here you can continue user address with this account, like Google Play, this account that you will need an address to sign in with. It can be a Gmail address. So you can just enter a new email address in here, but not a Gmail. But if you want to permanently delete your Google account, you can go back and then click on delete your account in here. And please, you need to read this carefully. And after that, we can choose this. We can check this box to acknowledge that you will be responsible for any charges that you need to do any pending financial transaction, and you can also confirm that you want to delete permanently your Google account. Then you just click on delete account, and your Google account will be deleted. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.